Hey y'all, I'm Carolina Tony. Today we are in Sequoia National Forest in California, and I am going to climb Morro Rock Trail to the top of this Morro Rock. 350 steps, not including inclines, not including the trail, to a height of 6,750 feet above sea level. We've got a good 2,500 foot in elevation that we're going to climb, and it should be pretty strenuous. Well, we're going to go ahead without further ado and get started.
Coming up on the right, remember Morro Rock, and the stairway leading to the top of it is one of the crown jewels of Sequoia and Kings Canyon National Parks. If you got a little bit of energy and up for a steep set of 350 stairs, I guarantee the views will be worth it.
Hey, we are hiking up Morro Rock, 300 and I forget a bunch of steps, and I think it's about 8,000 foot, so the air is very thin up here. I believe that helicopter over there is doing something with logging. I'm huffing and puffing, but look at the view. Awesome. All right, we're still climbing. When these steps were built back in the early 1900s, they were wood. They only lasted about 20 years before the Civilian Conservation Corps changed them to stone. I'm not there yet. We're gonna go all the way. You don't come this far to stop. Still going. This is a lot harder than I thought it would be. Like I said, you can tell now over behind me we are up in the clouds. This is probably one of the highest places on the west coast, or at least in California. I didn't see the one, but I'm daggone bent and bound on getting to the top. Here's where we're going. Watch. Right up there. Well, we have made it to the top. Almost 400 steps up. Had to stop 2 or 3 times. My heart rate got up to 110, but hey, it's calmed down now. Now the easy part, back downhill. Well, this is not a place you want to be when there's a storm coming up. And there's a parking lot back down there. And if you can see that little black car parked the side of the mountain, and there's Debbie. I see her in between the 2 cars. How about that? Hey, it's one of these things, if you go all the way, you want to go all the way, don't you? And we're headed back down now. If you're afraid of heights, this might be something you don't want to do. Lots of steps, lots of ramps. You have to keep your mind on what you're doing. You have to be really sure-footed. Make sure you put your foot on a step when going down, because you don't want to fall on this stuff, because it will cut you up. Well, that's going to do it for our hike up Morro Rock. It was pretty intense, I'll say so myself. I checked my heart rate and it got up to about 115, and for the elevation, thin, my fitness level, that's probably not bad. It's back down to where it's normally normal at, which for me is around 80. So not bad, I guess, for an old man. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give us a big old thumbs up. And hey, by the way, if you've ever done a hike like this, please be sure to comment and let me know. And tell us all about it below. But for now, y'all have a good day.